All right, this next workout series challenges your ability to harness the momentum of your mace in a side swing and transition it into a warrior two lunge and transitioning in and out of that dynamically. It's really going to challenge your ability to find that coordination, agility, and landing control. So the first exercise is called a combo side swing into a warrior two lunge. Please start at the side of your mat so you'll have enough room to step out. And initiate with a side swing. So you're going to side swing your mace into a reverse guard position, lifting, stepping, landing. Push your mace out, your arm comes at 90 degrees, swing, catch, elbow in, big rainbow, step, elbow in, catch. Anticipate your landing, that's 3, and 4. Notice your mace globe is in a slightly different spot here. Horizontal overhead position. 4 more. Keep your side hip root when you're doing your side swing. Keep your mace globe close to the ground. 3. And 2. Stick it. And 1. Switch sides, moving to the opposite side of your mat. Find your side swing, so side hip root, finding that sway. Do one side swing for practice. Take it slow. Side swing up, lift, land in your warrior two. See that your mace is in your true horizontal overhead position. Push off that leg, marry the elbow to the rib. Calf swing along the long edge of your Nabosa mat. Press. External rotation. Carry and capture that momentum. Calf swing, catch, and land. Stay low. Stick it. Big rainbow arc. 4, 3, elbow in, 2, and 1. Recover, have your mace in your hands, inhale, and exhale.